So now we are going to be replacing the bank 2 sensor 1 air fuel sensor, which is right here. The front of the engine here is bank 2. The rear is bank 1. You have cylinders 2, 4, 6 in the front and 1, 3, 5 in the back. So this is bank 2. So we remove the air box out of the way. We have the connector for the air fuel sensor right here. We're going to push on the tab. So if you push on the tab and you're not able to get it out, you can use a thin screwdriver to get in between the tab. Then you should be able to get it out. So now we're going to remove these zip ties out of the way. There's one clip here for the upper radiator hose. In some cases, you may not be able to reuse these if the clips or the bracket or holder breaks. And we have the zip tie here that we need to cut off. I pulled back on the hose. Otherwise, you may accidentally damage the hose, so you need to be careful there. So now this is free. Now we're able to get the oxygen air fuel sensor out. So now we are probably going to heat this up a tiny bit, and then we are going to get it out. This one is coming out now. It was a little bit seized in there, but it wasn't as bad as the other ones that I've done on this vehicle. Caution that it will be hot. So now this is again bank 2 sensor 1. So this is the upstream sensor, The part number here is 2349154. It's a Denso part air fuel sensor. Comes with anti-seize, the copper stuff. Now I noticed this one is labeled upstream left, so that's bank 2 according to the Denso website. And then there's upstream right, which is bank 1 sensor 1, which is in the very back here. It is very difficult to access. I'll probably be doing that in a separate video. So this is the upstream left side. There's already anti-seize in here, so I don't need to add any more. At the manufacturer, they provided extra anti-seize just in case. So we are going to install this now. Just wanted to take note, this one has the red or pink label for the upstream left, and the upstream right, it has a green label. So we are going to install this. So now we are just going to tighten the new sensor snug. You don't need to install these extremely tight, and just until they're snug, and then you're good. I'm using an O2 sensor socket that I got from Gear Wrench. It comes as a set. I think it comes as a 7 or 8 piece set. You can buy these from Amazon or your local auto parts store. This is just for some of you guys who are having issues trying to find on which one is the right one. This is a 2349155 for the bank 1 sensor 1. So if you look here, this one has the green label on it, and this one has the red or pink label on it. So that's done. Now you just want to reroute the wiring harness and connect it to the connector here in the back. Just make sure it clicks in firmly to make sure it's seated in properly. So we're going to install this bracket back in one new zip tie, and then we are going to put the air box back afterwards. Have to snip that off, and then you should be all good to go now. So wash this area down with brake cleaner. Just cleaning up the residue from the leftover penetrating oil. Now I just need to reinstall the air box back with the vacuum hoses, evap lines.